and me and my husband, his name is Mike, we start like business in 2018. Yeah, we started our business at 2018, and at that time when I came over here, I doesn't know about anything because I just came as a blank mind, and I never worked before in my life too. And when I came over here, I doesn't speak English proper either. So like most of town people helping me such a good way, they come to teach me English to like learn over here and how to sell the product and everything, and doing like the restaurant service and everything. First when I came, I feel like I came like unknown place because I come from India to Canmore, and Canmore to came over here. So over here is just kind of like the nothing to see, but over here is people, and I found Manitoba people is very friendly. So we look, and then I'm also just came and I don't know about anything to how to work and then how to connect with people and communication and everything. So I told to my husband, like let's go some small town so I can learn better way. Like in city or in this most popular area, there is everybody is like very high demanding, right? So in town you can see like people helping each other and everything. So we just looking for business, and we just learn in like we just found online, and then we thinking like this is better, and then we came over here first time, and like we will stay 1 month in Carberry, and we see every time people behavior and everything. So everybody is waving, and I feel kind of I'm like everybody's know me, like I feel kind of like comfort zone. And so I thought like I tell to Mike, and he said, yeah, if you like it this town, we can move over here. And I say, I think in this town is very comfortable for me, and that's family way. So like when we start the business, that time we serve the like we have food like the homemade food, and then we have motel. But after 2 years, not before start the COVID, we plan to build a gas station, but we need the permission and everything, and about the finance and everything too. But then because of the COVID, it's getting late and late. Like we didn't get enough time and everything, and then all price has increased too. So like build up cost is getting high and high. So it's getting little bit harder, but now we have gas station, like we're going to build a convenience store too, and then motel and restaurant. The next gas station is going to open after 15 days or next week. It should be like everything is done right now, just taking like 10 to 15 days now. I never feel about I running the business. I always thinking I serving the food at home, and then like everybody's know me right now after 2 years, and I know them too. So it's just feeling like I am at home. I never running the business, and then I love to serve to people, and people love to come over here because our pie is, people really like it, and I like to bake too. Carberry town is really beautiful town. When I came, I told you like town is really beautiful and very friendly too. When I came, I thinking about people might be something thinking wrong because we are foreigner, right? But I never feel like that. It's I feel like I never miss my family either. And after running this business, I never went outside. Even I never feel I want to move in city either. I love this town, and whenever I need some people, like the sport team, sometimes people come like basketball team or volleyball team or some kind of team, and at that time it's very hard to handle situation, right? So that time I just called in town and somebody come to help me, and then like it's going very smoothly. I never feel like I'm living alone in this town. Town is very friendly, and even when my mom and dad came over here, like the summer fair, and like I never went with them, like I never go to tell them like this and that and anything. I running this business and people helping them, and even they think about them because we are vegetarians, so they think about them too. What should you eat and what should you do? If they give my family idea about town too. Like I never feel like I didn't take my father to go looking about town and anything. I always like feeling like I living it like my family, and like town people mostly help in a like this situation too. Like in COVID situation, like they're buying to gift card and then they give some big order to take away with them, doing like sponsorship also for us, like when we need something. Like in a farming season, they give it to us like big order too, so we can survive right now in COVID situation. Every Sunday, even we are closed, they come every Sunday and then they give at least some business so we can survive too.